If you guys want to learn how to make these chicken flautas, please keep watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken flautas. First off, you start with a pack of chicken and we're going to wash it. And now we're going to boil the chicken, so we're going to add more water. So we start boiling the chicken, low to medium heat. I'm going to use this much salt. I don't know, that's a lot, I don't know, probably. And cover it halfway so the water won't spill everywhere. And we'll just check back on the chicken in a bit. While the chicken is boiling, I'm going to make a salsa because I like eating salsa with my flautas. And I added 5 tomatoes and 3 chiles serranos.
I also like adding a little bit of onion.
I'll leave that boiling for a bit, and then after that I'll add it to the blender. After you have all that stuff in there, add a teeny tiny bit of salt.
Oh crap, I think I put too much. Oh. And then just start blending. Start blending. What the heck? Oh, it's not connected. You gotta plug it in first.
And now you blend. Okay, now that it's done, you just add it onto your little tray and...
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it smells really spicy. It burns my stomach already.
and then you just let it cool off. Okay, once the chicken is already cooked, we're gonna start shredding the chicken. Okay, when you're done shredding the chicken, now you proceed to warming up the tortillas.
Warm up more tortillas. Don't be afraid to use your hands, it won't burn you. I like when tortillas do that. It's cute. Once you warm up your tortillas, we're going to start putting chicken on the tortilla. And you're going to start wrapping it really tight, nice and tight. And you put them in toothpicks, like so they won't unwrap. Okay, like this. And toothpicks in the middle. And you do that a couple times. Be generous on the tacos because no one likes eating just a tortilla alone. So I have a little toothpick in the middle, like that. Okay, when you have a few tacos ready, make sure your pan is hot with oil because we're going to start making tacos. So you add them slowly. Don't throw them on there or else it'll burn your face. Know what I've done wrong. To tie my enjoy your delicious chicken flautas with lettuce, a little bit of sour cream, and some guacamole, and of course, the delicious sauce I made. Nice and spicy.